In today's video, I'm going to show you how to chat with Google Gemini AI in Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a super easy feature to use, and once you know where to find it, you can start asking Gemini questions right inside your browser without switching tabs or opening extra apps. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick how-to videos just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how your system is set up. Once Chrome is open, look at the top toolbar of the browser. You should see the Ask Gemini button located near the top of Chrome. This is the main button you'll use to start chatting with Gemini AI. Click that Ask Gemini button to continue. After you click it, a dedicated chat window will slide open on the right side of your screen. This side panel is where you can interact with Gemini directly while still keeping your current web page open. It's really useful because you can ask questions, get help with writing, summarize information, brainstorm ideas, or use Gemini while browsing the web at the same time. Now that the chat window is open, just type your prompt into the message box. You can ask Gemini anything you want, whether it's a simple question, a writing request, or help understanding something online. After typing your prompt, press enter or send it, and Gemini will respond right inside the Chrome side panel. From there, you can continue the conversation, ask follow-up questions, or refine your request until you get the answer you need. And that's it. You've now learned how to chat with Google Gemini AI in Chrome. It only takes a few clicks, and once you get used to it, it can save you a lot of time while browsing and working online. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.